Discover the luxurious journey of caviar, where sturgeon eggs become a gourmet delicacy. This process blends age-old traditions with modern precision to create an exquisite treat. So, how do they do it? The journey of making caviar begins with selecting the perfect sturgeon. This choice is pivotal as the quality of the fish directly influences the caviar's taste and texture. Sturgeon, known for their roe, are carefully chosen based on their health, age, and species. Different species, such as beluga, ossetra, and sevruga, produce caviar with distinct flavors and textures, catering to various consumer preferences. The selection process involves thorough inspections to ensure the fish are healthy and free from diseases. These sturgeon are typically sourced from specialized farms that prioritize sustainable and ethical practices. By starting with the best fish, producers lay a solid foundation for creating high-quality caviar that meets the expectations of discerning consumers. Once the perfect sturgeon are selected, they are transferred to aquaculture farms designed to mimic their natural habitat. These farms provide a controlled environment where sturgeon can thrive. The farming process includes maintaining optimal water quality, temperature, and nutrition. Sturgeon are kept in spacious tanks or ponds to reduce stress and promote healthy growth. The goal is to create an environment where the fish can develop naturally, ensuring the roe is of the highest quality. This stage is a long-term commitment, as it can take several years for sturgeon to reach maturity and produce roe. The dedication to farming practices ensures a steady supply of high-quality sturgeon for caviar production. During their time on the farm, sturgeon require constant monitoring and care. Advanced technology and skilled aquaculturists work together to track the health and development of the fish. Regular health checks, dietary adjustments, and environmental management are essential to keep the sturgeon in prime condition. This meticulous care includes monitoring water quality for pH levels, oxygen content, and temperature to ensure a stable environment. The sturgeon's diet is carefully formulated to provide all necessary nutrients, promoting robust growth and high-quality roe production. The focus on consistent monitoring and care ensures that the sturgeon remain healthy and productive throughout their life cycle, leading to superior caviar. When the sturgeon are mature and their roe is ready, the harvesting process begins. Timing is essential, as the roe must be collected when fully developed, but before its quality degrades. To ensure perfect timing, experts use ultrasound technology to assess the readiness of the roe. There are two primary methods for harvesting roe: stripping and traditional harvesting. Stripping involves gently massaging the eggs out of the fish without causing harm, allowing the sturgeon to continue living and producing roe in the future. This method aligns with sustainable and ethical practices, making it increasingly popular among caviar producers. Traditional harvesting, on the other hand, involves euthanizing the fish before carefully removing the roe. Both methods require skilled handling to avoid damaging the delicate eggs. Once harvested, the roe is swiftly processed to preserve its freshness and quality. The initial processing involves separating the eggs from the surrounding membrane and other unwanted parts. This is done using specialized sieves and gentle rinsing techniques to ensure only the highest quality eggs are retained. The entire process is conducted quickly and efficiently to prevent spoilage. The harvested roe is then placed in a cool environment to halt any further development and maintain its freshness. This careful handling ensures that the roe remains in pristine condition from the moment it is harvested until it reaches the next stages of processing. Conducted under strict hygiene conditions, the harvesting process is critical to ensuring that the caviar produced meets the highest standards of quality, flavor, and texture, satisfying the expectations of discerning consumers. After harvesting, the RO extraction process begins. This involves separating the eggs from the surrounding membrane and other unwanted parts. Specialized sieves and gentle rinsing techniques are used to ensure only the highest quality eggs are retained. This step is performed quickly and efficiently to prevent spoilage. The cleaned eggs are then placed in a cool environment to halt any further development and maintain freshness. The entire extraction process is conducted under strict hygiene conditions to prevent contamination, ensuring the yarrow remains pristine from the moment it is harvested until it reaches the next stages of processing. Once the yarrow is extracted, it undergoes salting and curing, which are pivotal for developing the caviar's flavor and texture. The amount of salt used is carefully measured to balance the preservation and taste of the eggs. This process can vary depending on the desired final product, with some caviars requiring more salt and longer curing times than others. The roe is mixed with the salt by hand or in automated mixers, ensuring even distribution. The curing process allows the flavors to develop fully, resulting in the rich, luxurious taste the caviar is known for. The roe is then left to rest for a specific period, depending on the type of caviar being produced. Quality control is a fundamental aspect of caviar production, ensuring the final product meets the highest standards of excellence. Throughout the entire process, from farming to packaging, rigorous quality checks are implemented. Each batch of caviar undergoes visual inspections for uniformity in size, color, and texture. This meticulous screening ensures the caviar's appearance aligns with consumer expectations. Experienced tasters play a crucial role in quality control. They assess the eggs for flavor, texture, and aroma, ensuring a perfect balance between the natural roe flavor and saltiness. This sensory evaluation is vital for maintaining the luxurious taste and mouthfeel that caviar is renowned for. In addition to sensory checks, advanced laboratory tests are conducted to ensure the caviar is safe for consumption. These tests screen for pathogens, contaminants, and proper salt content. Ensuring the caviar is free from harmful substances is paramount for consumer safety and trust. Continuous quality checks are performed at every stage of production, from the initial farming of the sturgeon to the final packaging of the caviar. This comprehensive approach guarantees that only the finest caviar reaches the market. By maintaining stringent quality control measures, producers can provide consumers with a product that is not only luxurious but also safe and consistently high in quality. Packaging is the final step in caviar production, where the finished product is meticulously prepared for distribution and sale. This step is crucial for maintaining the caviar's freshness, flavor, and overall quality. Each batch of caviar is carefully measured and placed into tins or jars. These containers are then sealed to prevent air and contaminants from affecting the product. The packaging process is conducted in a controlled environment to ensure hygiene and safety. Containers are vacuum sealed or filled with an inert gas, such as nitrogen, to extend the caviar's shelf life. This method helps preserve the delicate texture and flavor of the caviar, ensuring it remains in optimal condition until it reaches consumers. Each package is labeled with important information, including the type of caviar, harvest date, and storage instructions. This transparency builds consumer trust and helps them make informed choices. Some producers also offer eco-friendly packaging options, using recyclable or biodegradable materials to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Once packaged, the caviar is stored in temperature-controlled facilities. This careful handling ensures that the caviar retains its quality from the moment it is sealed until it reaches the consumer's table. Proper packaging and storage are essential for delivering a product that meets the high standards expected by caviar enthusiasts. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from select sturgeon to the exquisite caviar we all love. This process artfully combines tradition with modern precision to deliver a luxury product cherished around the world. If you want to explore more exciting stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.